This is a review of the Vamtac Rhinestone t-shirt that we're going to be doing a review and test fit on, which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we were going to be putting this to a test to. And in this review and test fit, we're going to wear this on and show you guys more in depth about the Vamtac Rhinestone t-shirt. So without going any further, let's go in more in depth and wear this on. Okay, so here's how the rhinestones look up close. You can see how beautiful these rhinestones are, really high quality. But one thing I do want to show you guys, you can see how big the size is. This is in a size large, and I would definitely recommend if you are trying to not go for that oversized look to size down, preferable like a small or medium. But I'm about 5 feet 10 inches, 165 pounds, and this is, a very large and roomy. You can see how much space there is to wear it. So it is a large size, but that's something to keep in mind. But if you're looking for that oversized fit look, then this would definitely be the best way to go. Okay, so here's the finished results of the Vamtac Rhinestone t-shirt. You can see how beautiful it turned out. It blends in with the color very, fairly well as well. And one thing I also love is that it is, inside the material, if you're talking about, it's extremely comfortable and soft. And it's good for, especially as you guys know, the summertime as it gets hot. And as you guys know, it gets extremely hot. And then from there, you want to wear something that's lightweight and comfortable. This is that. It feels very soft and comfortable with the inside. And it will definitely also, maybe even in the winter time, it's like a mix of, you can wear it in the summer, you can wear it in the winter as well too. It is, the cotton material is really high quality as well. One thing I also love is the rhinestones. The quality of the rhinestones you can see here, they are snug into place, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart either. And same goes for the backside as well. If I'm moving around, they're snug into place. You don't have to worry about it falling apart or anything like that either. But I'm gonna be doing a walk around of the front and back to show you guys how it pops in the lighting when I walk. And just like that, you can see the rhinestones themselves, they are in the color black, but they shine very beautiful in the certain lighting. So if you're in a mall, you're somewhere that it's very broad, broad daylight, it's definitely going to shine and sparkle and make you stand out if you are trying to wear this for like a concert. And you can also pair it up for that Y2K look with a pair of pants, a chain that you can see right over here, a hat, and also a pair of shades as well too. Just like that, and you can see how beautiful the entire outfit looks like, just like that. But other than that, I would definitely recommend the Vamtac Rhinestone t-shirt if you're looking to stand out from the crowd and you're trying to go for like a festival concert and you're looking to, set yourself apart from others. Then this right over here, the Vamtac Rhinestone t-shirt, is by far one of the best t-shirts to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.